Looking for best crypto exchange in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. Today, I'll be showing you my top picks and why they stand out in under 5 minutes. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So, are you actually looking for the best crypto exchange in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. And today, I'm going to be showing you the first pick of this video, which is bydfi.com. As you can see here, there is different tables for different coins or spots that you could be actually trading on the website. They have here a small section. For the new upcoming trading coins, for example, Trump USDT. And of course, here they have the panel for all of the big losers in the last 24 hours. If you are interested to buying crypto, then you should be checking this page right here. But we're gonna be checking really quick the markets before we actually hop in the second option. Here you will be finding all of the options for the market that you could be actually trading with all of the details needed. Let's say, for example, Jupiter / USDT. Let's see more details about this specific. There is also like options for trading, derivative, coin M, leverage tokens, demo trading, and of course copy trading. So if you are also a beginner, you could just go on the website, copy trades from other pro people that are actually making money. And of course there is also bots, events, rewards, and all of those interesting features, so make sure to check it out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about bydfi.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Bye bye.